Yes, good day for everyone. So today, many students were asking through post that we are going to write biology record. So today I am speaking about writing about biology record. So the record book, if you have purchased and you have got manuals, you can start writing record. And the pattern of writing record, the order, I have written here. You can see. You can first write exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next you can come for 13, 15, 16. After that 20, 21, 22, 23. Then you can write exercise 8, 17, 18, 19. Followed by 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. So therefore all the 23 exercises you have to complete. So now here one thing is with regard to writing record is, see, when you start writing the record, in case if there are any tabular columns, please leave as it is, don't write. Or you just enter the tabular columns and leave the spaces what is left for it. For example, in exercise 1, we will be giving you a tabular column. So you can, after writing the diagram, that is, you have got the way of writing this. First follow the title, then aim, principle, procedure. After this, let this be in first page. Then in second page, you can write the procedure, the first diagram, the 3 diagram. Then you can go for writing the second thing, that is locule and this full diagram. And last page you can write the and the classification. So therefore first exercise can be written in 3 pages. And one thing is, wherever you draw diagram, the diagram should be labeled only on right side. Don't label in erratic manner. See that, for example, you see this diagram of PS of ovary. All labels in your manuals have been given on right side. So therefore, even for other diagrams when you write, see that your labels will be coming only towards the right side. Okay. So after writing this, you can leave one thick sheet, because there will be a tabular column which you have to suppose to write. That will be given to you during your practicals. So therefore, you leave one thick sheet after writing all the diagrams and notes for the first exercise. Likewise, second exercise. You can write aim, principle, requirement in 1 page, procedure in 1 page. First you write diagram in the thick sheet. Below the diagram you can write the tabular column, or you write diagram, 3 diagram. Then write observation what is given. Then write tabular column. At the end of your observation, you have to write result. So therefore leave space for tabular column and result. Likewise, exercise number 3, you can write as given in your manual. If you try to complete it in 1 page, write diagram on the thick sheet. So like that you can follow the writing and see that corresponding diagram will come to the corresponding note. So therefore, and in case of this exercise for meiosis, what you can do is, you can write procedure, principle, requirement, procedure. Opposite that you can write the diagram. Then you can write preparation of slide in second page. And in third page, for second page you get space. You can continue with the characters of progress metaphor. See that in each page you can write 3 diagrams only. Please do not write more than 3 diagrams in your mitosis. And nuclear staining also you can write in 1 page and diagram in next page. So here, when you come for observation, as far as staining of nucleic acid is concerned, so after writing procedure, when you write observation, please don't copy as it is. You can write observation like this. First one, shape of the cell. Shape of cell. Then second one, you can write number of nuclei in a cell. And third one, you can write position of nuclei. Position of nuclei in a cell. So like this, you can put column. Here for shape of cell, you can write rectangular, number of nuclei 1, or you can write uninucleate, and the position of nuclei you can write periphery. So this is regarding the phase of nucleic acid. And the next we have got exercise 13. So when you go for exercise 13, that is gametogenesis, try to write a procedure and requirement in one page. Then you can write case of mammalian ovarian characters in one page. The next third page you can go for TS of ovary. So therefore corresponding notes and corresponding diagram should be the corresponding sheets also. You can write exercise 13 for your repeating. A principal requirement in first page, TS of mammalian testis in second page, and TS of ovary in third page. So this is 13. Likewise, when you come for exercise 15, so you can write in first page with regard to this full, that is aim, requirement, observation. You can complete and you can write PS of ovule in one page, and this the last one in third. So you can write, you can make use of 3 pages, or if you can complete in 2 pages, it's well and good. Then likewise, exercise 16, Black law of manual. You can complete this entire thing in only 1 page. So that is with regard to exercise 16. 21. That is, we are coming for common diseases and disease causing organism. So try to write a requirement principle in first page. Then can say diseases in one page. So you can make use for exercise 20. You can write in 3 pages. Then likewise ecological adaptation, that is 21. So here there is a tabular column. So what you have to do is, one important thing is, you have, after writing each diagram, you can write in first page a principal, requirement, procedure. So complete in first page. Then in second page, write the thick sheet. Write the 3 diagrams one below the other. We will be giving points for this. So leave thin sheet for this diagram. Don't write anything here. So you have to write repeating for exercise number 21. After writing under procedure for observation, on the thin sheet you can write the diagram of cactus, then acacia and bryophyllum, one below the other, or thick sheet, and leave thin sheet free. Opposite thin sheet, do not write anything. Do not write anything. You are going to give notes. Notes will be given. In case if you have already notes of your senior, write a written points pertaining to Acacia bryophyllum, you can write the note. Otherwise, you see page empty. Likewise, after that, you have a tabular column. So you have to write a tabular column as it is and it is space. And if you have content, you can fill it. Then, in the next page, go for hydrophyte. Again, you can write lotus, hydrilla and economia one below the other. Leave the page as it is. Then you go for tabular column. So therefore, remember I am repeating for exercise, ecological adaptation. First page, you are going to write until procedure. Second page, you are on second page, fixing, you are writing character, acacia and bryophyllum. For that corresponding notes, if it is written in your record, you can write, otherwise you can leave the page empty. After that, write the tabular column for xerophyte. Then you go for fourth page, write lotus, hydrilla and you can say economia, leave empty page for it, and after that on thick sheet you can write the tabular column. So this is 21 and 22 also same thing. You can write the first page procedure. In case you have thick sheet, you can complete this tabular column for you say xeric animals. Then next page write camel, rat and squirrel. Leave the notes empty page for it. Thick sheet you can leave it empty. Then you can write hydrophyte diagram, that is frog, fish and frog. Leave empty sheet. After that, on the thick sheet you write tabular column for hybrid animals. So this is for the thing. And last exercise, that is you have got 23. You can write the first page principal requirement. Then after that, in each page, two diagrams or two examples of homologous organs in plant. Likewise, analogous organs in plant, you write any two diagrams. So you can complete that by writing two diagrams. Then once you come for exercise 8, I think it is pH of soil. So you can write the procedure in one page. Then you can leave the sheet as it is because you require tabular column. So pH of water you can complete in one page. This should be written on thick sheet. So leave that thick sheet. You write the tabular column and leave the space left for it as it is. Then you can continue with 17, 18, 19. So 17 is Mendel laws of inheritance. You can write in first page until procedure. Tabular column of each sheet you leave empty. Then you can continue with that. So you can complete in one page with regarding to Mendel law of segregation. As far as possible, try to complete to one page, thin sheet and thick sheet. Then Mendel law for independent assortment, exercise 18. First page in one first sheet. Second page you can write thick sheet, the tabular column should be written. So therefore you can follow that. Then pedigree analysis, the next exercise, that is 19. You can write in first page age, principle and requirement, and on the thick sheet you can write this symbol for say the pedigree analysis. Then you can take one pedigree chart, or convenient you can go for two pedigree chart and corresponding note. So try to write as per your convenience, but remember more than two pedigree chart should not be there in a single page. So if possible, restrict to a single one. That's the thing. And after that you have got soil experiment. So I think this you can cover in single pages. That is yes, texture of soil. You can write in single page. Thick sheet you leave for tabular column. So first you write exercise. principal requirement procedure. Then observation you can write on thick sheet. The diagram on the next thick sheet. So you can follow this. Likewise, this exercise number 7, entire thing on a thin sheet. Then thick sheet, diagram. Below diagram you can write this tabular column. So both of the senior records if you have got it. Likewise, exercise 9. See, in single page you get full notes on thin sheet, diagram, both diagram on thick sheet, below diagram you write tabular column. And now, with regard to exercise number 19, you write it, don't write any of the diagram, you can leave space, because depending upon the elements what you have written, we are going to tell you how to write it. So, thick sheet you leave empty for this particular exercise 10. Then next, that's the thing, and other thing you can complete. So this is with regard to practical writing. So go to your senior record and write it. So you can complete it before you come for your exam.